Hello, I'm going to carry on with finding the other value of stress Y given our element state. Okay, that's given. So again, we're going to draw a Mohr circle. Right. So now, remember, take note that we do know that stress mean. Okay, we know that stress mean is equal to minus 150 megapascal. And we know that our stress max is equal to 75 megapascal. So we are aware of that. So we're going to focus on the second value now. Okay. So what is the second value? What is the possibility? Okay. So the possibility. So we're going to construct Mohr circle again. So I'm going to stop drawing. Okay. Only on the negative. Okay, so I'm going to have at minus 160, 140, okay, 120, 100, 80, 60, 40, minus 20, 0, 20. Okay, so this is normal. I'm not going to draw. You guys know that the upper limit is at tensile 150. You guys are aware of that now. Okay. From the previous exam, not the previous part of the question. Same question though. So from here, we have our normal stress, our element rotation. So again, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80. And then we have minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, minus 80, clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation. At the top is clockwise rotation. So there you go. And then we have our 75 and 150. So let's draw the limits. So we know that this is 75, right? We're aware that this is 75, and then you have the other one going over here. There's also your 75, and then you have your 150. Okay, and then the rest no go zone. Okay, so the position of the Mohr circle cannot be out here. Okay. So the first point, we again know we have to locate our first point. So it's at your stress x. Okay, so we know that we still have to identify our stress x. So it's at 70. Right. So this is our stress x. And then you have your shear at 40. Okay. Shear 40. And then we are very sure that we have a stress Z is over here. So this is our Z location. Okay. And then again, we know that this is our X, right? So there's another possibility that this can be our stress max. Sorry, stress mean. Right? Cannot go beyond. Right? So now you can draw a line, right, from here to here. But you don't, okay, so you know that these 2 points are on a points on Mohr circle. Okay. But yeah, so this is your minimum stress mean. Okay. So how are you going to find where point Y is? Okay. So one possibility is we are going to use rules of the circle. So by using rules of the circle, what do you mean by rules of the circle? So any point that is on the circumference of the circle, okay, it will intersect the other end of the diameter in 90 degrees. Okay, so if I rotate this 90 degrees, right, over here, so this will be your over here, this will be one of your principal stresses. Okay, so that is the principal stress. So we need to find that value now. Okay, we need to find that value now. Okay, so I'm going to call the angle. Now, why am I doing this? Okay, so rules of the circle. If we were to focus on the rules of the circle. Okay, if you watch the video on Mohr circle, I did highlight that. If we were to draw a circle, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 2, 4, 6. So this is a circle, right? You draw a line across the center, right? So if I pick a point, so let's say if I pick this point, right? So when you pick the point from this end to this end, you join them, and then from the other point you join over here, right? This will always be 90 degrees. So that's why this is equal to what? 90 degrees over here. Okay, so first we are going to find beta. So this is my beta. When that's my beta, this is my beta. Okay, so that's beta. Okay, so to find beta, so we know that tangent beta will be equal to 40 divided by 20, 40, 60 divided by 80. So beta inverse of half. So beta is equal to 26.565 degrees. Okay, so there's our beta. So I'm going to call this point over here stress small a. Okay, stress A. Right. So to find stress A, okay, stress small a, right? I want to find stress small a. Right. So we know that the height is 40, where beta we can use tangent. Okay. So the value between here to here, this value over here. Let me draw. Yeah. So the value from here to here, right, is equal to 40 tangent beta. Okay. Okay. So stress A will be equal to minus 70 plus by 40 tangent 26.565. Right. So this will correspond to a value. So tangent 26.565 times by 40. Okay. So minus 70. So it's going to be equal to minus 50. Okay, minus 50. Okay, so you have minus 50 over there. So now we can construct a Mohr circle. Okay, you can construct Mohr circle because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it's 150. Half is, so the center of the circle. Okay, if you have a compass, you know that the center of the circle is at your 50 line. Right. So now you can draw a circle. So past the 50 line. So now you can draw a circle now. Okay, so 50. You use your compass. Draw the 50. Okay. So when you have done that, you can project now. You know where the center of circle now. So you can project here. Okay, you can You can draw a line across here now. Yeah, you can intersect here. So this over here, this point over here is your y2 value. Right? It's a possibility. Yes or no? It is, because it's inside the what? It's inside the envelope. Okay, so you can find stress y2 now. Okay, so now you need to know, right? So if there is beta, right? There is beta. You need to know what is this angle over here, right? You need to know what is this angle and what is this angle over here, right? So you know that over here, right, from here to here, right, this is beta. This angle over here is 2 beta. This angle is also equal to 2 beta, right? Why is that? Because if this is the center of the circle, you can do this for yourself. Okay, you can do this for, if that's the case. If this angle is our beta angle, right, this angle is also a beta angle. This angle over here will be angle sum of triangle, 180 minus 2 beta. So that's why the value over here, this is equal to 2 beta. Okay. So now you can find, now you know that 2 beta. Okay, so 2 beta, so we need to find 2 beta. So 2 beta is twice of 26.565. Right, so twice of, so it's equal to 53.13 degrees, or 53. Okay. So from here, you can see what is your stress y2. Okay, you can check what is your stress y2. So stress y2. So we know that stress y2. Okay, so we know that stress y2 is equal to minus 100 right? So we know that we have 40, right? So we have 40. So plus by, sorry, minus is going towards the left hand side. Minus by 40, divide by tangent 53.13. Okay, so we know that this is 53.13, and we know this height from here to here is what? Is our 40. So this is the distance that we want to calculate. Okay, so that's why it's minus. So from that's the case, we get this is equal to minus 40 divided by tangent 53.13. Okay, so about 30. So this is about minus 130 megapascal. Right. So this is 130 mega. So it's, so over here, so your stress y2. So therefore, stress y2 is equal to minus 130 megapascal. And this is good. It's inside the working envelope, yes or no? Okay. So this circle, the first circle that we have drawn, the pink one, this belongs to our XY plane. Okay, our XY plane. And then we know we have a Z. So we draw another Mohr circle. Right? So this is 25, 50. So this is our second Mohr circle, right? And this corresponds to our XZ plane. And the last circle, okay, we will construct our last circle is going to be at, okay, it's going to be, you're going to draw here. Our last circle, let me do in green, right? So our last circle is here. Okay, so that's correspond with the 75. So this circle over here is our YZ plane. Okay, YZ plane. Okay, so this is our Mohr circle. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, I will come back again.